To get people to sign up and engage with your course, you're going to need some marketing and you're also going to need some tech. This is a multi-layered process, and for many creators, it can be a bit of a nerve-wracking experience. So let me share with you what I'm doing to increase signups for my online courses. First up, the course landing page. It needs to be clear, compelling, and convey the value of your course. I look to include persuasive copy, engaging visuals, and real testimonials to make the page stand out. Content marketing is critical to getting course signups. I create blog posts, videos, and social media content that not only promote the course, but also provide value on their own. This approach helps in building trust and interest. Email marketing is a powerful tool for course promotion. I use targeted emails to my subscriber list, offering them exclusive previews or early bird discounts. It's all about making them feel special and valued. Social proof is key. Showcasing success stories and testimonials from past students can significantly boost signups. It gives potential students a glimpse of what they can achieve. Remember, increasing course signups is about combining effective marketing with genuine value. For more insights into creating and marketing successful online courses, make sure to check out my other videos. Let's make your educational content a hit. And if you'd like to boost your online presence and get more customers from the internet, check out the free resources on my website, nicholaspapp.com. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. I'm here to help you in your journey to success as a digital educator. See you in the next video.